Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sylacauga local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning to move to a new location? You must hire a trusted, cheap Sylacauga moving company to make your relocation worry-free. You can choose 3 movers to make your move effortless and enjoyable. We will perform all tasks with precision and discipline to let you get settled into your new location faster. Our moving professionals have the expertise to move all types of items ranging from breakable items to heavy furniture. You can enjoy the following services and advantages with our long-distance moving services. Packing services. We will take care of your packing and unpacking needs efficiently. You don't need to find time to pack your items. Moving supplies. We offer all types of moving supplies to make your move incredibly effortless and result-driven. An on-time move. Our experts will turn up on time to make your move time-bound. You can always expect timely completion of the task with us. Upfront pricing. We give the utmost importance to transparency. Our free estimate contains in-depth information about the price. Licensed and insured. We will never send inexperienced or uninsured professionals. All our long-distance movers are licensed and insured professionals with an impeccable track record. The right movers will make your relocation simple. We make it easy to move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away. If you want to enjoy the best moving experience, let us help you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sylacauga moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.